everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you a tasty, delicious homemade pakora from scratch from Chana dal, and this is going to be looking like this. Chana dal, I'm going to make flour. I will show to you how to make a besan at home. Then we're going to make a delicious pakora. So without wasting any time, let's get started. This is really fine besan. At this setting, when we have the besan, this is really smooth. It's good for the burfi, and if you need a little coarse for laddu, then we can adjust it. So it doesn't take, within 5 minutes we are done. I just turned off the machine. As you can see, this is our fine besan, the gram flour. From 4-pound chana dal, this much besan, and we still have leftover. To make a pakora, you can add anything. I added 2 potatoes, 1 red onion and 1 green chili, and spinach, which is palak. I'll add salt to taste, cumin seed, jeera, and cumin powder, coriander powder, and turmeric powder, and red chili flake. As for the potatoes, make thin slices. Once all the spices are nicely combined, besan flour. So once we added the flour, we're going to combine it well again. Once the besan is nicely combined, now we're going to add dahi. With the dahi, it becomes fluffy and also it becomes soft inside. Now we're going to add water. So I'll keep pouring water, and water you add slowly. You mix it. Don't need running gravy, you need like a thick mixture. Thick and soft mixture. We put 1 cup. So a couple tablespoons more of the That once it's nicely combined, let it sit on a countertop for 10 minutes. So once it's rested, after 10 minutes we're going to mix it again. Then we're going to start making pakoras. While we are waiting, I'll start the machine again. We're going to let it finish. That's how you make besan at home. The oil is heated up. 2 spoons, 1 big spoon and the other one, the spoon you drop it in. Make pakoras whatever the size you like. You want big or you want small, whatever you like. So on a medium flame, keep it cooking. It's always a good idea to cook on a medium flame. As you also see that once you start cooking, the bubbling slows down as well. So as you see, it's start to turn the color. It's a changing color. So within 1 minute, we have it's a nicely golden color coming up. So now we're going to let it cook until it's fully cooked. Once it's cooked, we have a plate ready. Put a paper towel so it will soak up extra oil. As you see, they are nicely golden brown and they are fully cooked. So now we're going to take it out. Make sure that the extra oil there in it, and then put it on a paper towel. It will soak up any extra oil and we are ready for the second batch. So we're going to prepare the same way. We're going to keep putting in. And same process. Try making pakora this way and you will like it. This is a really delicious appetizer. If you have a big kadai, then you can add more, but this is good. We have a 5. So we're going to do the same process. I'm going to finish up, then I'll share with you. Homemade pakora from scratch. It's very easy to make and it's very tasty. Please try it and you're going to like it. You can serve it any time of the day. So I hope you like this recipe. Like always, like, share and subscribe. Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.